Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 7X, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls family link on this device, on child's device. Okay. Firstly, you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he'll be able to bypass the blocking Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know. Okay, let's start. Firstly, open settings, scroll down, click accounts, add account, Google, and here add Google account. Add child's Google account. Enter child's email. And enter child's password. Click next. I agree. Cool. Now go back. Then scroll down and click Google. Scroll down again and choose parental controls. Get started, child or teenager, next. Here, select child's Google account. We just added. Now you need to link child's Google account to your parent Google account. So enter here your parent email. Enter parent password. And click next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree. Scroll down and click activate. Click next. Scroll down, click next. Scroll down again, click next. Skip. Cool. Now you can go back to the home screen. And now take your parent device in your hand and install Family Link application. I have already installed. Install, open it, choose who will be using this phone. Parent. Click next. Switch account. Now you need to log in into your Google account linked to child's Google account. In my case, it's HardReset.Info 1. I need to enter my password. Click next. Click I agree. Choose parent Google account and cool. Now here I have all linked child's accounts to my parent account. This Honor device have name HDUDB, so just select HDUDB. And cool, as you can see, we have full control of the child's phone. We can lock his phone, we can lock separate applications. For example, if I want to lock AnTuTu benchmark. I need to find here AnTuTu benchmark, then click on sandwatch and click block. Wait a while, and go. AnTuTu benchmark was successfully blocked. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.